Hi, today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you, and I recommend you to stop video here, read both questions and answers, and make your choice, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here is the first question. A sexually reproducing animal has two unlinked genes, one for the head shape, that is H, and one for the tail length, T. Its genotype is heterozygous for both traits. Which of the following genotypes is possible in gamete from this organism? So let me write down this genotype once again. So this is capital H and small h and capital T, small t. So heterozygous for both genes, and each gene present here in two copies, or we call them alleles, when two copies are slightly different. Sometimes the difference can be only in one nucleotide. So here we have one set of the alleles, and here we have a second set of alleles. And this is diploid organism, that's why every gene is duplicated. But when gametes formed, for example in humans, can be egg cell in females and sperm in males, only half of them would go to the gamete. And for example, this would be the first set of alleles, and only one would go to the gamete, and only one of this would go to the gamete also. So gametes are always haploid, and or have half the number of the diploid organism, or sometimes if organism, for example, tetraploid or hexaploid, there can be half number would be 2 or 3. But in our case we have diploid organism, so gametes would be haploid. So, and here is a different variant that we can get. So we can get, this would be first variant of the gamete, that would be capital H and capital T. And here is the second variant, is capital H and small t. And this is going to be third variant, small h and capital T. And this is going to be the fourth variant, and this is going to be small h and small t. So as you see, 4 variants are possible for the gametes. And now we can check our answers and find which one is correct. And as you see, only one variant meets our requirement here, and this is this one, and this is answer A. And all the rest, as you see, for example, answer B give us in the gamete only 2 alleles of the first gene and none of the second gene. So we can cross out this answer. Here we have gametes that should be diploid, and gametes are haploid. Here is only one gene present, or one allele, and here is the 2 alleles, but both of them only belong to the one gene. And by the way, it cannot be small t because there is only one small t here, and it cannot be duplicated, and only one small t or capital T can go to the gametes when gamete would form. So let's now move to the second question. When crossing a homozygous recessive with a heterozygote, what is the chance of getting an offspring with homozygous recessive phenotype? And let's use Punnett square in order to solve this problem. So we have homozygous recessive. So let's put it genotype on top. So let's it be small a, and we have to cross it with heterozygote, meaning that one allele should be dominant and another one recessive. And when we build a Punnett square, we can find all the genotypes and phenotypes possible. So here in the first cell we would have a heterozygous genotype, here also heterozygous genotype, and here we would have homozygous recessive, and in this cell homozygous recessive. And as you see, homozygous recessive genotype makes 50% of such cross, and the correct answer would be C. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video, and see you in the next video. And do not forget to write your comments if you have any. Goodbye.